Hello, welcome back to Olney Clifton Fishing Association with Club Secretary Nathan Flynn. Today we are on a new piece of land that we've just managed to acquire. You know that feeling when you always want to fish the opposite bank? This is where you can do it. We've just managed to acquire the land all the way from our Lavender Mill section right the way down to our Olney Mill section on the opposite bank from where we normally fish. So luckily enough, we have got an absolute stalker's paradise. If you're travelling light and you don't mind a bit of a walk, this is perfect. You've got miles of water where you can just drop in here and there. As you can see behind us, we've got our Lambden Road section, our beam field here, and we've been doing a bit of work along here today to open up some swims. So if you fancy yourself as a bit of a stalker just to come and drop in at a few different pegs, this is definitely a section. Come check it out.